How to add boarding pass to Google Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can add boarding pass to Google Wallet. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, once you open up your Google Wallet application, you should get an interface like this, right? At the bottom right corner, you can see the add to wallet option on the screen. You want to simply tap on that particular option, and here you can see it'll give you an option to add your payment card, your transport pass, your loyalty gift card, and photo. You can create a pass using a photo with barcode or QR code. However, you will see that there is no any option to add boarding pass. Now what you'll have to know is there is no any option available to add your boarding pass directly into the wallet. What you'll have to do is you'll have to head into the application or the website or the third-party website that you got the boarding pass from, and there you'll get the option that is add to Google Wallet. You want to simply tap on that particular option, and have to go through a couple of prompts, and you'll be able to add it easily to your Google Wallet. So this way you can add boarding pass to Google Wallet. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.